Okay Ji, welcome back to another video of 9702 paper 1 daily MCQ series. Today we will be solving another question related to electricity chapter. So this is also the most important and the most asked question in our examination. So let's get started. Firstly, when you see this type of question, there is something that must click in our mind. That is this output thing. When you look at this output thing, our mind should remember that this should be question related to potentiometer. This should be question related to potentiometer. And questions related to potentiometer are really easy to solve. Only thing we need to solve this type of question is formula. And the formula related to potentiometer looks like this. Let's suppose this is resistance R1 and this is resistance R2. So we need V out. This is V out. We need voltage across this resistance. So the formula to find the voltage across R2 is V out is equal to, and let's suppose this is V in, R2 by R1 plus R2 whole multiplied by V in. This is the only formula which we require to solve this type of question. So let's solve this question without any further ado. Let's first read the question. In the circuit shown, X is a variable resistor. Okay, X is a variable resistor. That means its resistance value can be varied according to our need, whose resistance can be changed from 5 ohm to 500 ohm. Yes, these all are in SI units, so we don't have to worry about the units. The EMF of the battery is 12 volt, also in SI unit. It has negligible internal resistance, as we don't have to worry about internal resistance as well. What is the maximum range of values of potential difference across the output? Okay, what is the maximum value of potential difference across the output? Okay, let's see. We have first option 1.3 to 11.1, 1.3 to 12, 1.5 to 11.1, 1.5 to 12. Okay, let's use this formula twice. Why do we need to use this twice? At first, we will find the value by putting resistance 5 ohm resistance. Then after we will find the value that is V out using the resistance 500. Okay, let's do it. The formula will look like V out first is R2 is we are going to use 5 ohm first. So 5 ohm plus 40, R1 is 40, 40 plus 5 times V in is 12. Let's put it in our calculator. 5 divided by 40 plus 5 times 12 and we get 1.33. So the minimum value is 1.33 voltage. We can safely eliminate option C and D from our first answer. Now we need to find the maximum value of V out. So for V out maximum, we will use the resistance value 500 and then after divide by 500, let's do it as 40 plus 500 and multiplied by 12 and it is 11.11. So the correct answer will be option A.